Good morning. We were outside on the patio celebrating Greek Festival, which is going to be this weekend. Now I'm with George, and you are playing.
I'm playing the Greek instrument called bouzouki.
And how is this different from a traditional guitar? Because that's what it looks like.
It's actually very similar to a traditional guitar in that it's a long-necked instrument, and it's tuned similar to a guitar. But, of course, in our Greek music, we use all the different type of scales and roads, so it sounds more Greek, right?
I feel like I'm there.
Whoop-a.
And the dancers pretty much help this out. So I'm going to let you take it from here for a little bit so we can hear the sweet sounds of this.
We're going to kick it off with a beautiful stirto. Pame. Here we go.
I'm going to dance. JK.
Να σε δω, να σε χαρώ. Γεια σου Ηλία Καρά. Everybody παλαμάκια. Έλα. Μια φορά μοναχάζουμε στον ασυρτικό καπά. Θα ανοίγω το κόρμι σου, να ανοίγω το κόρμι σου, Everybody clap along, έλα! Όπα, όπα! Πάμε παιδιά, όπα! Ένα χρυνάκι, με ποτίσες σπαρμάκι, με ποτίσες σπαρμάκι. Oh, nice bridge, excellent, excellent. Dibi, 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 die, dibi, die, dibi, die. Dibi, die, dibi, die. Dibi, 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 die, dibi, die, dibi, die. Opa!
I'm about to jump in this line right now. Let me give you the details on the Greek Festival this weekend. The Greek Festival is at the Greek Orthodox Church, which is right next to the Dayton Art Institute. Admission is $2. We'll have more information on this on fox45now.com.